Ang hinahanap natin is a ambassador who could really carry the spirit of a modern Filipino man as of today. Our grand winner for the Mr. Intercontinental Philippines will receive a cash prize of 200,000 pesos plus gift certificate, and our first runner-up will receive a 50,000 pesos plus gift certificate. Our second runner-up, 40,000 plus GC, and our third runner-up, 20,000. Yes, 50, 40, 30, and 20,000 pesos. And gift certificate.
Ito kanina, it's Museum of Tourism, Advocacy and Cultural Preservation. Ano po sa palagay mo ang pinaka-importante sa ngayon para hirahin sa Intercontinental?
Dun sa pagdating natin sa sustainable tourism, cultural preservation, and community participations, parehas pumabiyan and has equal footing po. Whether you choose the cultural or the community participation or the sustainable tourism. Parehas po yung tatlong nabanggit ko na may kanya-kanyang bigyan na mapinaginalang pala to build a better community mountain. Thank you so much. Calendar, December 8 to December 12. December 12 is the Grand Coronation Night of the Mr. Intercontinental Philippines that will be held on Biggest Sport Complex in the home of the Mr. Intercontinental's Baguio City and La Ciudad Benguet. So, kita-kits po tayo. Always remember with God, nothing is possible because we are possible.